Guys, our next topic is the structure of teeth. We know teeth are very important part of our body. They help us to bite and chew the food. They not only help us to speak clearly, but also they give shape to our face. They are firmly anchored in bony sockets in the upper and lower jaw. So, look the structure of the teeth. Teeth is the plural form and tooth is the singular form. So, the structure of tooth has two main parts. First is crown. Crown is the visible part. Crown is the visible part, or you can say the part above the gum. Crown is the part above the gum. And second is the root. It is below the gum. The part of the tooth that found below the gum is called root. Students, in many competitive exams also the questions are arises from here, that the visible part of tooth is known as, and many students in confusion take the enamel, but there was correct answer crown. The visible part is crown, or you can say the part above the gum is crown and below the gum is root. Now next, layers of the tooth. We see the part of the tooth. A tooth has two parts, crown and root. And now the layers of the tooth. A tooth has three main layers. First is enamel, second is dentine, and third is pulp. A tooth has three main layers: enamel, dentine, and pulp. Enamel, it is the outermost layer of the tooth. Enamel is the outermost. You can see here that it is the outermost layer. Enamel is the outermost layer of the teeth, and it is the hardest substance in our body. Enamel is the hardest substance. In many competitive exams also the questions are arises from here, which is the hardest substance in our body. So the answer will be enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Next, what is the functions of the enamel? As we know, it is hardest substance, means it resists the wear and tear of the internal parts of the tooth, and it forms the crown. As you see, it forms the crown. Crown means the part of the tooth above the gum. Now next is the dentine. Dentine, it lies inside the enamel. It lies inside the enamel and it protects the inner pulp. Dentine protects the inner pulp. Pulp is the innermost layer which contains nerves and blood vessels. Pulp contains the nerves and blood vessels. The questions are also arises from here, that which layer contains the nerves and blood vessels. So the answer is pulp contains nerves and blood vessels. I hope you understand well. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe the channel and press bell icon also. Thank you. Thanks for watching.